What if you did way down deeper than your simple-minded friends? What if you dig? But what if you find 1,000 more unanswered questions down inside? That's all you find.
Everything in life is based on a fact. Everything we do in life stems from that fact. So if that's the case, how come that's not the same for our life? In our life, we just do what we want, how we want, if we feel like we want. Well, what if there is a fact? What if there is a constant that we should be basing our life on? What if there is a plumb line? May 1st, 6 p.m. This is your invitation. Please join us. We're having a book reading, signing. We're going to have musicians, food, coffee, something you don't want to miss. Please bring your friends, and I would love for you to come. What's your question?